G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at how to sync music from your phone to your Galaxy Gear Fit2 Pro. We're going to do this nice and quickly, so don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung Gear app, just like so, and straight away you can see there it says send music to the Gear. You press that, select tracks, and here you can see all the music I've got that is already on my phone. Now all this is music from YouTube, so it actually has no royalties attached to it. I'm not going to get in trouble for syncing it over. So just quickly we'll go bounce, that step, 4 on the dance floor, George, living up, move it or lose it, neon storm. So there's 32 megabytes, and we will then select done. That step MP3 cannot be copied. There is already a file with this name in the destination folder. So I think I've got 2 or 3 songs already on here, so I'm just going to say replace, and there they go. It says sending 1 of 8. You can see that there. So once they get started, they go pretty quick. Now you only need to do this if you want to leave your phone at home. If you're taking your phone with you, then just play your music through your Bluetooth headset from your phone straight to your headset. However, if you do want to just leave your phone at home, you want to sync your watch to your headsets, then there'll be a link up here and a link in the description below on how to pair it to a set of Bluetooth headsets so you can take them on your run with you. I'll show you how to do that next. So there you have it. Once that's done, it says 8 successful, 0 failed. So I will then go to my music player, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and that's because I'd already transferred some over. Now these won't play independently. Now if the music on my phone is playing, then the watch will skip or pause or play the music that's playing on my phone. If these aren't connected to a headset, then it won't do anything. It'll just say connect to headset. So you watch when I press play, and it says connect BT headset, which I'm going to do in a separate video. So like I said, there's a link up here and one down below on how to connect your Galaxy Gear Fit2 Pro to a Bluetooth headset, and I'm just going to go and film that straight away, just so you know where the links are and everything's ridgy-dig. If you like that video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Love doing these videos for you, and I will catch you in the next video.